Well, the tornado took down the roof off the old Sparkman funeral home. Jesse James was here. He has a history in this old place. It did not hit anything else. It just took the roof off. It knocked down the shower stall I gave for my roommate. And I did notice when I went to feed the wolves that we have a few trees down. His thing is leaning a lot more. It ripped off some boards and stuff, so I guess it did attack him there. I picked some of this up already. This really don't need to be laid here. I think that's my wood. It shouldn't even be out from under there. Anyway. Kiki? Kiki? I heard you. Kiki? Harlequin, is that you? So 2 trees there. Perhaps that's all. It's just those 2. Yeah, I don't see any more through there. Ugh. I think it's leaning more. Anyway, that's all the damage here at Ellis Mills. We're blessed. Bye. Peace and love, everyone.